Hello friends of Astelar channel. Today we see how you do to take the first steps on ySense website. Okay, I will teach you how you initiate your create your profile. Okay, you click here on the ySense logo or here, or you can watch this tutorial on our website. Okay, I will let this link to you on Facebook or in YouTube, wherever. So I will click here to get access the ySense. Okay, you see this window. You put your email here and create a password here. Okay, and click join now. Simple like that. You made this. What I will let you to do. You have to put here your email. With the same email you create your PayPal account, because this will help you to make your security withdrawal of your cash on ySense using your PayPal. Okay, but you can withdraw your cash on ySense and many other ways. Okay, so after you put your email and create your password, you will need to answer several information to create your profile. Okay, your age, your date of birth, your annual house income, or if you have children or not, how many cars do you have in your residence, in this type of question to create your answer your profile. Okay, so here it says you can view here all the information about your account, your referral link. With this link you can keep and create your passive income. Okay, with commission. After you say ySense, you can check this out. You click here, service, complete service, to dashboards, including these options to looking for more service to answer and get money. Okay, so you respond as you click on the offer, the survey. Okay, but not now. You can see here in service history the last service you complete. Okay, click complete here. Okay, as you can see, we click a lot to gain one survey, but I have $18 here. I keep transaction history to see transaction history, commission here. Okay, then 10 cents here, commission, referral. Okay, this is offers and service. This offer here, revenue survey, is that many service to you get money for sure. Okay, here earn bonus cents. Okay, you can download apps or answer service. Is this? You can see ySense offers here. You can sign up to apps or a lot of things. This is variable, because if you live in USA or Europe, you can receive different offers with more money to earn. Okay, it's just click here to earn and start to earn. So I think you had liked this video. Success for all of us. Stay safe. If you have any question, please let me know. See you later.